Tired of running low on Robux? I'm going to show you how to snag more, fast, using Apple Pay. First, make sure you're logged into your Roblox account on your iPhone or iPad. Launch the Roblox app. See that Robux icon at the top? Tap on it. It's usually a purple R symbol. This takes you to the Robux purchase page. Now you'll see different Robux packages. Choose the amount you want to buy. Tap on the package that suits your needs. Your Apple Pay sheet should automatically pop up. It will show your linked card and the total price. If you have multiple cards, choose the one you want to use for the purchase. Confirm the purchase using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode, depending on your device. You'll get a confirmation message that your purchase was successful, and your Robux balance will update instantly. Now you're loaded up with Robux and ready to customize your avatar, buy cool items, or unlock game features. That's all there is to it. Enjoy spending your Robux and having a blast on Roblox.